Welcome to how to make a booking within 2 minutes on HotelHub. So as soon as you've been provided with your corporate ID, your username, and have created your password, you're eligible to log into HotelHub. Of course, when you log in, you will have your company logo, and now you're free to make your bookings. So we're going to, let's say, Berlin, and from the period, we're choosing the 24th to 26th of November. We're looking for a double room, so one room, two adults is perfect. We're just clicking search. And as you can see on my left hand, we have some filters. Let's say we only want to see 4-star and 5-star options. Then I'm clicking 4-star, 5-star. And let's say we want something in a more central location. So we're choosing Alexanderplatz. As you can see on top, this is the loading bar. Please wait for the bar to disappear. And this means you have the best rates possible. Let's say we want to book the Park-In by Radisson, and you can see we have a free cancellation. Let's just go ahead and make the booking now. And shortly we're forwarded to the booking page. And as you can see, we're now headed to the booking page. On the top right corner, you can see we have a 20-minute window to make our booking. When you want to make your booking, you have to click all these boxes to agree with the conditions. It's mandatory to give an agency reference, so I'm just giving ours. When you're making the booking, we need one name per room. But now we can go ahead and click continue. And now we click make booking. And shortly it will tell us our booking has been confirmed. Just a moment. And now you can see our reservation is complete and your reservation request was successfully completed. When we click close, you can see we've now made a booking, and congratulations with the booking on HotelHub. This is how you make a booking within 2 minutes on HotelHub. Thank you.